How to add Mubarak token to MetaMask. Now, first of all, what you need to do is by going to the screener. It's available there. Now, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the BNB Smart Chain Network. Now, first of all, open your MetaMask. Now, first of all, I will just log into my wallet to be able to add this token. Now, after you log into your wallet, what you need to do, go and click on tokens, click on these three dots, click on import tokens. Now here, paste the token address. If you don't see it here, as you can see, now just close this and make sure to select the BNB Smart Chain as a network first. And now what you need to do, click on these three dots, click on import tokens, and now click on custom token and paste the token address here, and you will be able to find your token here under this token sample. Make sure this is the right name, and now click on next. Now click on import. Now to make sure that you add it successfully to your wallet, make sure to select the BNB Smart Chain as a network, and now keep searching. As you can see, this is our token added successfully to our MetaMask. So this is how to add Mubarak token to MetaMask. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.